Thank you very much. A very pleasant morning, ladies and gentlemen, and we welcome you to another edition of our Philippine Sports Writers Association Forum dito pa rin po sa PSC Media Room dito sa Rizal Memorial Sports Complex. And we'll be having a very special edition for today. On behalf of our President, Francis Ochoa, and all members of the PSA, hope that you are with us through our live stream via the PSA Facebook page, also on a daily basis over Sports Radio 918. Ako po si Judith Carinal. And yes, sa ngalan din po ng ating mga sponsors sa ating Philippine Sports Commission, Philippine Olympic Committee, and San Miguel Corporation, and Milo, at Country's 24/7 Sports Arena Plus. So sana magandang discussion naman ibibigay sa inyo. And this is a historic discussion because we will be welcoming the NCAA management, okay? And we'll be talking about the first ever golf tournament in the oldest collegiate league in the country, the NCAA. So this is golf tournament. May we welcome first the NCAA Management Committee Chair from Mapua, Sir Melchor Divina. Hello. Magandang umaga po. Welcome to the PSA. We have also the Vice Chairman and the one in charge of the golf competition, Attorney Jonas Gabuchan ng Sandela. Yes, sir. Good morning. And then we have also a member of the NCAA Management Committee, Sir Frank Lucy, Perpetual Health. Hello. Also, Dr. Lorenzo, okay, from Emilia Aguinaldo College. And we have the Commissioner of NCAA Golf 101, Season 101, Attorney George Valenton. Hi, sir. Nice to have you here at the PSA Forum. Okay, so who's first? I think Attorney Jonas. So what is this? Wow, historic first edition of golf tournament at the NCAA. Yes, sir. Yes, go ahead.
Morning. This is the first tournament ng golf sa NCAA for season 101. And this happened because of the initiative of our chairman, PSC Chairman Pato Gregorio. Sabi nga ni Chairman Pato, yung mga sports na nagcha-champion sa international events, subukan natin ilagay sa NCAA. So, ang nilagay niya, in partnership with the NCAA and PSC partnership is golf, boxing, weightlifting, and gymnastics. So for golf, we will have it on May 20, 2026 at the Wakwak Golf and Country.
So, yes. So everything is all set. Ready na ang mga teams. Maybe we can ask some members of our committee, how many teams are all schools competing?
The format of the tournament is there's a team format and there's an individual format. Because we're introducing it, some schools might not be able to form a team, but they can participate in the open competition. So there will be representation from all schools, and hopefully it will encourage the schools to form a golf club, and in the future, it will be a tournament that will be a regular event in the NCAA.
So again, this is a special event or a demo event ba?
It's a special event. It's a special event.
Okay, so how big is the competition? Maybe how many golfers? How many teams?
We will limit the participants to 100. Okay, 100 sa one-day event. So the format is 6 players to play, and the best 4 players with the best players with the best scores will be the one counted. So 6 to play, 4 to count. Okay. So if there will be 6 or 7 teams that will participate, times 6, that's 42. So the open event will be limited to 58 participants. Also, we have a guest team. It is the University of Asia and the Pacific. They will participate in this event as a guest team.
So let's have first reaction of other members of the management committee about the debut of golf in our NCAA. Sir Frank, ikaw po muna. Yes, just go.
Hello. Good morning. Yeah, in behalf of our chairman of the ACA, Mr. Medina, and of course, the chairman of this event, it's a nice book, the ACA, that we will be having this kind of tournament board. Since I've been in the tournament first time. For almost about 100 years when I was ngayon ang magkakaroon ng board. And in behalf of University of Puerto she said, we actually proud to be part of this tournament because NCAA is NCAA.
Yes, okay. Chairman muna, si Chairman, sir.
Thank you. Actually, nung sabi si Chairman Bato na maglagay kami na sport sa NCAA na siya yung nagka-medal sa international. So, natuwa kami kasi unang-una, yung goal, talagang napansin ko, sabi na, pang mayaman na daw. No? Pero kung titignan mo, hindi naman din pang mayaman. Kaya nagulat din ako, nagduwa ako, dahil nung sinabi magkakasol, lumapit sa amin yung sa akin, mga estudyante na, ang dami palang golfers sa Papua. So, pati, balik sa grupo yun. At nila, sumasali na raw sila sa ibang tournament. Sarah tayo, collegiate. Pero doon nalaman na maraming golfers. Kaya nung nagsabi si PSA na sana isama yung golf sa NCAA, wow, okay to. Maganda to. Saka yung ginagawa nila chairman, nakita ko, dahil palang gusto mag-sponsor. Mga sa golf, baklas pala yung golf. Kaya magandang simula to, yung golf dito sa NCAA. So, kasi yung golf, ang programa, parang private lang eh. No? So siguro ngayon, dahil sa magkakaroon ng collegiate golf, so magiging maganda yung program ng golf sa Pilipinas. So maraming may encourage.
Mga estudyante pa.
Yeah.
How about from AYA, Sir Dr. Lorenzo?
Actually, from AYA, I already proposed na magkaroon ng golf club in line with this initiative na ng NCAA sa PSC para mas strengthen yung aming ability to join or participate in the tournament. The good thing about this, yung initial na tournament natin is open to graduate school students. Para kung middle school ka, fortunately, middle school ang AYA, so doon lang sa Cavite. So I already invited our those students also to join. Kaya, very exciting to sa tingin ko. This will be historic, but certainly going to be a very fun-filled event para sa umpisa ng initiative ng PSC at ng NCAA. Kaya excited kami lahat dito.
Yes. Excited din kaya yung ating commissioner kasi in about how many days from now, konti na lang, over a month, a NCAA golf tournament na po, special event. Yes, si Commissioner naman po, what do you think of this?
Well, the launch of this golf event is very timely. Katatapos lang ng most prestigious golf event, which is the Masters. And significantly, ang nanalo si Rory McIlroy. Rory McIlroy din na become a champion. At by engaging in golf at ang later part of his time, nagsimula siya sa June golf hanggang tinuloy-tuloy na. And NCAA is about that. It's about owning global talent from the youth, from the grassroots. So this is so much aligned with what we have in NCAA. Golf as a discipline, as a golf as a sports of integrity and mental toughness. Golf as a means towards international representation. And number 3, golf towards empowerment. Nasabi kanina, nakala ang golf para sa mayaman. This golf program that we want to establish is a way of empowering yung mga anak ng mga kadis. yung mga anak ng mga maintenance people na introduce na sa golf early in their life. Through this golf program, they may be part of a bigger solution for the golf.
Yes, yes. Pwede silang scholar ng malalaking university. Di ba? And then, you know, NCAA in the US, look at Bianca Pagdanganan. She was a part of that champion team before being a part of our national team and eventually one member of the Asian Games gold medalist. But, Attorney Jonas, meron ba yung partner dito?
Yes. Partner is Pilipinas College Golf Series. They are experienced in collegiate golf race.
Yes, nandito sila.
And they are helping the NCAA because this is the first time for NCAA to have a golf tournament. That is why we partnered with somebody who has more experience than the NCAA in golf tournament.
Yes.
So thank you PCGS for this.
Yes, Pilipinas College Golf Series represented by Ravi, Ibay, and Miguel Castro. Hello. Yes, okay, questions?
Anyway, full disclosure, my two my son and daughter graduated from San Pedro, and so Jonas, so four to play, 6 to play, 4 to count. Ano yan? Lahat po sila based on handicap o gross?
Stable format tayo.
Opo.
So,
Madaling estimate, kumbaga,
Walang handicap. Walang handicap.
So,
0.60.
basically.
0.60.
0.60.
And then the team format 6 to play, 4 to count is you have a maximum 1 alumnus in the team
Okay.
or 2 grad school students in the team, or it can be 6 undergrad students. So we placed, we included rather alumnus and graduate school students to encourage them to help the undergrad students or to sponsor them. The alumnus can sponsor. And then if the school does not have a golf club yet, maybe the alumnus can help form the golf club. Kaya it's a combination. But later on, we will see how it will go. But the thing is, everything that we do here is for the good of the sport.
So, separate, sir, yung individual and the team play.
Yes.
So, yung team play will be on the 26th?
No, the team play and the individual open will be on the same day, May 20, 2026.
So, one
Monday event, Monday event.
So,
18
18
holes. Yes, Monday event. 18.
So, kasi, kaya naiintindihan nyo kasi later on, para to add a little bit more excitement, instead of metal play, you can have match play.
Yes, we will look into that in the next season siguro or whatever happens.
Tapos ano, yung mga may knockout.
We will do that.
So, what else do we ask? So ano para stable for, so how, Sir Divina, Sir Lorenzo, how many teams are we looking now? Offhand, meron na po ba tayo mga 5 teams? Kasi malaki naman po ang NCAA, more 10 yan. So, ilang teams po ang nakapag-commit to field team, schools ang pag-commit to field teams for this one year? Yes.
Based on sa pagdating binigyan, I think 8 schools.
8 schools?
8 schools. Kasi I asked Ariano, meron daw sila. Letran, yung baka pwede yung sa North.
Si Father Vic,
Bataan.
Father Vic, ilagay nyo na.
Kami yan sa Bataan. Kailangan nyo sa Bataan. Philip, sure, meron yan. Then, Kaya, sa Padilla rin. Ang KRU, tatanungin pa ulit sa mga law student nila. Then, Papua, meron. Lyceum sa Batangas. Then, Peda, uli meron. Sa Sebastian, wala pang sinasabi. Perpetual, therefore, meron. So, almost 8 schools.
Questions? Dito, Reto.
Good morning. Kay Attorney Jonas. Sir, why why napili nyo na yung University of Asia and Pacific na maging guest?
The University of Asia and the Pacific is a guest team because they volunteer, they applied as a guest team. And they have goal for PE, for physical education. Kaya interesado talaga sila. They already have a team.
Meron talaga silang specific na klase para sa
Yes, it's part of their program.
Yes, okay, so may we welcome our chairman. Okay, chairman, okay, so later pa pala mag-join sa ating SAA Management Committee. Kasi, di ba, as Attorney Joy was saying, this will not be possible. Okay, Jonas, I'm sorry, without the push and help of our chairman, Pato Gregorio. Yes.
Siguro kay Commissioner or kung sino man yung sumagot. Kasi meron bang incentive yung mga mananalo or ano ba yung prizes ninyo? Gold medal ba or scholarship ulit or anong pinaplano?
For kasi yung event, sa special event, so yung mga maglalaro dito hindi pa athletes ng school, so hindi pa sila eskola. But siyempre, of course, may trophy, mayroong recognition, and depende pa kung ilan pa yung makukuha namin sponsors.
And also yung, kasi, basta special event sa NCAA, it takes 3 years bago siya ma-regular. Kaya, so after 3 years, mag-decide ang board, okay, let's regularize the gold. So, doon pala siguro kami, mga school, magdala ng scholarship and other mga needs ng student.
Sir Divine, may mga babae po ba kasali?
Actually, kami meron eh. Kaya lang na problema, limited yung aming dapat sa isang campus na. Ibabayan namin nasa Makati campus. Kaya kasi one campus only ang dapat manggagalingan na natin. Ewan ko na sa ibang school, sir, may babae po ba sa
Open.
wala, hindi ko pa natakot.
Okay.
Meron sa amin kaya namin yan, limited. Pero mostly, puro lalaki.
Meron na ba tayong official cover or meron ba kayong
Ako yung GMA, i-cover naman nila. Kaya hindi highlight na.
Diba?
Pero mag-ano kami sa live stream para doon i-yan po ba sa FB page ng NCAA at saka sa website ng NCAA.
Sir, yung plano nyo after, paano yung, ngayon yung introduction, no? Tapos, maybe second year, ano yung plano? Saka yung sa third year yun. Pag third year pa lang, saka pa lang siya magiging regular. So, and then second year, doon nyo pa lang mismo magagawa yung yearly format nyo.
Parang ganun po, actually, kasi pag nga yung special event, sa NCAA kasi meron, nagtatali kami for general champion. So may points bawat event. So pag special, hindi pa siya kasali sa point system. Kaya yun, hindi pa sa gold na yung special event. Pero once na maging regular siya, kasama na siya sa point system para magkaroon ng 8 points sa general champion ng NCAA.
Lori po. Attorney Cabosa, na-mention niyo po kanina yung alumnus na player, hindi po pwedeng professional player.
Non-pro.
How about po dun sa mga students, pwede po ba maglaro yung mga student athletes na member ng Philippine team?
Pwede, basta hindi professional. Pwede. Kasi team event naman, isa lang naman sa doon. Is to pay for
Okay, thank you.
Probably may mga additional info si Commissioner, di ba? In a way ba, meron ba kayong i-pattern the format probably in other competitions dito po sa gagawin natin ito for the NCAA GOP since this is a special event?
Well, since this is a special event, hindi pa natin gagamitin yung katulad ng ulang sa talagang regular golf event. Kasi sa regular golf event, talagang close score. Dito kasi pag playing, bumi ka na pick up na, so you don't really, kasi sa ibang sa golf event, kailangan mo hold out eh. So dito, hindi magiging hold out, to speed up play. But this simple for program ginagamit naman sa mga amateur tournaments, not in the professional tournaments, since anyway, this is just an introductory event. But when it becomes a regular event, talagang gross score hold out.
Attorney Jonas, anong expectation nyo come May 20? Anong kasaya, wak-wak-wak course pa naman gagamitin nyo? Wow, special talaga, no? It is,
Dahil kay Chairman,
yes. Mga Chairman, you want
kaya sigurado masaya ko.
Yes.
Dahil nakating kayo eh.
Anong klaseng atmosphere? Siyempre, di ba, sa galleries, sa whole 18, whole 9, andyan yung mga iba-ibang schools, yung mga alumni lalo na and officials from different schools.
Baka mas masaya yung sa awardee. Awardee. But very competitive naman yung wak-wak golf course at saka maganda. Not sure about the gallery because it is not an international event, but many will attend during the awarding to see or witness who won in the awarding ceremony.
Saan po yung awarding ceremony?
Sa Wakwak.
Sa Wakwak din. Okay, sa clubhouse. Okay, so, Chairman, pwede ka na mag-join para mas maraming kwento. Dahil this is very historic. So, we welcome Chairman Pato Gregorio. Kaya nga naging posible itong GOP first special event GOP dito nga po sa ating oldest collegiate league, ang NCAA. Ayan. So, thank you, Chairman. Marami na madidevelop ng mga young golfers para sa ating national team. And who knows, from this NCAA golf, yung school natin Olympian, diba, someday dito manggagaling. Good morning, Chairman. Welcome once again sa PSA Forum.
Good morning po sa lahat. Regards, of course, to the NCAA Mancom. Thank you very much for supporting this new project of NCAA with the Philippine Sports Commission. Magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat.
How do you visualize this golf at the NCAA?
Siguro po nakita niyo yung leadership and management style ko in the last 10 months I feel here. Tira na ng tira. Pero, siguro na po sa akin, speed is better than perfect. Quote-unquote, kung tama man yung grammar na yun. Pag-change mo lang, tira. Mas gusto ko yung mabilis kaysa yung perfecto. Kasi yung perfecto, hindi magiging perfecto yun. So, that is why, but seriously, let me take this opportunity to really acknowledge and thank the NCAA board and the NCAA Mancom. Bili ko ako sa kanila. Si Paul Zupan, yung kanyang colleague, who is in charge of gymnastics and Peter's boxing. They've been updating me. Si Paul, walang pigilan. Ito lang ginagawa ko sa gymnastics. Ito lang ginagawa ko. I do the same thing. I forward it to Cynthia Marion. I forward it to one of my friends. And I say, what NCAA is doing is really commendable. Because ang lagi mahirap yung simula eh. Pero kung tulungan, pagsama-samahan, hindi man siya perfect. Pero may mararating, di ba? And this was my personal request 10 months ago when I assumed the chairmanship. And now they're doing it. And then, sooner than later, nandiyan na yung gymnastics, sooner than later, nandiyan yung boxing. And I'm really happy in our own little way. I'm really happy to support the efforts of the NCAA. And talagang higit pa sa pasasalamat yung gusto kong sabihin. Kasi ang daming natutuwa sa ginagawa natin. Itong golf, it's really about that. Medyo social, ano, sa social, ano.
Dahil kasama ka. Dahil kasama ka.
Talagang doon tayo Asian circuit eh. Di ba? But really, yes, as I said, I'm sure this sport will grow. I'm sure we will be, we will do better in the Olympics and the Asian Games when we have this program. Before I joined you guys, I was actually in a meeting with Batang Pinoy, yung organizing team with Batang Pinoy. And konting heads up lang, it's on December 12 to 18, yung pakuwala, di ba? And it's from ages 8 to 15 years old. Ang Batang Pinoy. Binabana natin. So sinilip ko agad, kasi alam ko bababa ko rito eh. So sinilip ko agad, ba't walang golf? Ba't walang golf? Gusto ko kung ano yung pinupush natin, lagay nyo rin doon, kasi ang dami ng bata. So yun lang naman yung alignment. And as I said, kasama talaga sa kwento nung development natin, papunta from grassroots to good to greatness, yung kwento ng NCAA. Diba? Hindi talaga pwede yun. Face it, alam naman natin, hindi naman po pwede na nanalo tayo sa Olympics. Tapos pag tinanong tayo ng mga tao, maybe you have a very good grassroots program in your school program, in NCAA, with AP, SFH, etc. Sa sunod, wala. Kasi, diba? Kasi nanalo tayo sa weightlifting, nanalo tayo sa gymnastics. Pero, so, masasabi na natin, yes, that's all part of our grassroots program. And habang ako yung chairman, yun talaga yung itatagulin ko. And again, from the bottom of my heart, congratulations, maraming salamat. NCAA, bilib ako talaga, bilib ako talaga. And maraming salamat.
We are about to kick off as far as golf tournament is concerned for the NCAA. Ano ba timeline mo dito? Mga ilang shots ba bago mo makuha yung resulta? So, ba birdie o eagle ka agad? Or nag-expect ka naman mag-bogey? Bogey muna, kailangan daanan lahat.
Oo, proseso naman yan eh. Proseso naman, narinig ko naman yung 2, 3, 4-year program yan. Pero once you do it, hirap na kumatras, diba? So, habang nandiyan tayo sa PSC, talagang itataguyod natin yan. As a matter of fact, there was just talking to June, yung mga kaibigan natin at counterparts natin sa UAAP, siguro nababasa nila na nababasa yung ginagawa ng NCAA. May tinext ako kaninang umaga sa April 20 daw sila naman. Sila naman daw.
Mauna sila?
Hindi, signing lang kanila. MOA signing. Ito, gate na to eh. Diba? Gate na to. So, kaya may na soon. I'm sure soon. Soon. They will also do. So that's why I'm very happy. Sa ngayon, golf pa lang ng UAE. Diba?
Morning, Chairman. Chairman, nakakakonit mo na rin yung UAAP. Alam naman natin, you're from the University of the Philippines. But mo lang dinala yung gold sa NCAA rather than the...
Nauna ang NCAA.
Di ba? Sa pareho naman. Meron rin po ang UAP. Meron rin po ang UAP. And you know, last month, 2 months ago, nasaan po ako? Nandun ako sa Panigal ni Sir Buddy Encarnato sa NCRA. Pinupush ko rin mo. Boxing daw gusto nila. Sige po, boxing din. Di ba? Kailangan daw ng boxing din. Sige po, boxing din rin. Basta sa akin, no, lahat ng gusto. And if the leadership behind it is really aggressive, we will support. Kasi it's the right thing.
Chairman, ikaw bang ceremonial payoff sa...
Ang sagot ko, oo, pero endorse ko sa'yo. Ikaw ang tumira. Bakit hindi ko tamaan? Okay.
Chairman, meron pang isang magandang golf course yung PSC na nasa BCBA. Yung nasa Kapasitan na
PCBA po is dati.
Yung isa, nasa Tarlac. Yung kasama sa memorandum of agreement, di ba?
Luisita.
Oh, yeah.
Yung kay...
Madadala ba natin yung mga players ng FCA doon?
Opo, as a matter of fact, they really offered Luisita as a future venue. As a future venue, they really offered Luisita. And yes, wala lang po ngayon dito sila Sir Bones, may masters yata, di ba? Martin and Al and Bones. Pero I always speak with them. As a matter of fact, 2 weeks ago, nag-dinner kami with Bones. Because talagang pinupush natin yung grassroots development ng golf. Konting panahon na lang, nakikita ko na PSC will support grassroots development. Okay. Ito yung pinupush natin na access to the youth play in the golf courses, government and golf courses. Nire-review lang po natin yung mga policy together with AFP, BCDA, and CHESA for interpose. Pero pinupush po natin yan. So, sa matter of fact, when I had that meeting with Bose, Secretary Bose, sinasabi nila, Chairman, gusto mo ba magkaroon ng regional, ng National Training Center for golf? Of course, so please identify a golf course na pwede nating National Training Center. Kasi wala tayong National Training Center for golf, di ba? And we're identifying and I asked Bones to please ask Sir Martin if we can pursue Luisita as a National Training Center.
Chairman, kasi yung guest ng NCAA, yung University of Asian Pacific, meron pala yung specific na klase para sa golf. So, kakaiba dahil yung ibang universities, walang gano'n. Oo, nasa curriculum business. So, next Chairman, ano lang ako, follow-up lang ako sa Batang Pinoy. Yung goal is first time na gagawin?
I-inspect muna kami, inspection end of April. May meeting kami sa Bacolod ng May 8. But if we can, marami talaga sa Bacolod. Yes. So it is now being considered. Kailangan mo kasi masabayan natin kung meaning I encourage NCAA, lagyan nyo ng golf. I encourage other universities athletic association to include golf. Tapos mismo sa akin walang golf. Hindi parang may maliit na ako. So ina-align po namin yan. So definitely we will look into that. And very aggressive naman po ang relationship natin here with NCAP. I think they have may bago yata sa leadership change sa April 16, may botohan yata. May election sila. So we're monitoring that. So.
Thank you.
Election. Yes. Okay. Maybe additional help of
PSC to these schools, NCAA, to develop the sport more. Ano ang pwedeng naisip mo na ma-extend mo pang help? Let's say sa mga NCAA schools.
Well, ano po yun? Yung gymnastics, boxing, weightlifting, so on a per sport ko, I really support. I think without kakamali too, we also supported them during the last cheer dance. So on a per sport, there's really financial assistance given to the group. Diba? Mahirap naman ako na suggest ako ng suggest, tapos sila ako ng So kami, in our own little way, we help augment po and we have subsidized yung gastos ng grupo for these new efforts.
And maybe to push for that yung free na gamitin, di ba, ng public yung mga courses so that more students can play.
Yes. Yan yung, group ito, we actually have a proposal na undergoing review na supporting principal by CBCA, CHESA, Armed Forces of the Philippines. Nire-review na po ngayon ng Executive Secretary for the access of youth 18 under golf players to play in government golf courses. certain time for free. Yan. It's work in progress, hindi po ganun kadali. Alam naman po natin ang scheduling ng mga call. But is this something we are pursuing? Yes. Pag nagawa po natin yan, there are 17 golf courses in the Philippines. Dito na lang sa Manila, hindi na po ano yung mga yan. Meron na po Intramuros, meron na po Pagkinaria, Villamor, Veterans, Navy, Army, and sa Baguio, sa yung mga yun po, mga 16 to 17 people. So, we are really just reviewing the once we do that, nakalinya na lahat ng atleta at golfer sa kanila.
Good morning again po. Chairman, ang maganda po dito is that the PSC has partnered with the oldest school-based league in the country, and for everybody else to follow sana. So, the question po is, paano po yung mga schools sa iba pong mga regions? Will you also encourage them, mga liga sa Cebu, liga sa Bacolod, sa Bukidnon, na ilagay na rin ang golf sa...
Yes, sir. Yes, Sir Abak. As a matter of fact, isa sa mga... on May 9, I will be in Bacolod to attend the national PRISA competitions. And then meet the board of PRISA. Ito po yung private schools na napakarami rin. So, tuloy-tuloy po ito. We encourage. Ang isang program kasi ngayon ng PSC is to reach out to the state universities and colleges. Kasi sila yung government to government, walang conflict eh. Lalo na in the use of their area for sports development. Kasi mga malalaking state universities and colleges, ang dami nilang lupa, hindi naman nila ma-develop yung sports facilities because they don't have the budget for that. And I think it is just right. Ang PSC ang coordinate at makipagtayang so that it can be a PSC, state universities and colleges tayo. So we can develop the other schools in their area na ang dami. Diba? Sa UP na lang, ilang thousands of hectares ang meron ng UP. Yung mga Cavite State, Pangasinan State, yung Don Mariano Marcos, puro po state universities. They have vast tracts of land, but they cannot fund the sports facilities. Yun po yung ginagawa rin po ng PSC.
Questions? Okay. How about different schools?
Can we see yung mga garden nyo para may potting potting area? I don't know, di ba? Para sila mga schools. Okay. So, ano po pong ang pwede nating talagang stress in this project? Do you see that ito nga NCAA, katulad sa, how the NCAA golf in the US, iba, it's being played hanggang March ba yun? Kasama sa ng March Madness. Yes, sir? Attorney?
Well, as I said a while ago, golf is about empowerment of the youth. Pero another aspect of golf is that it promotes economy. Kasi golf, Philippines is a golf destination because we can play golf all year round. You might not know that Koreans have been coming here. There's sa Korea, kapag winter is a mapaglaro. So yung mga professional players na dito nag-train. So this development, this program that we are initiating, really creates a big economic system, a big atmosphere na lahat pwedeng mag-develop.
Ano pong role ng NGAP, sir, dito sa NCAA Golf? Attorney Jonas?
They're supporting this event also. Pero wala ka pong masyadong development on paano namin itutuloy sa next season. Pero they're supporting this tournament also.
Okay. Open na ba yung registration for this competition, sir?
Yes. The event is on May 20. Last day of pre-registration is May first week. So all participants should be pre-registered.
Okay. So probably may call either si Ravi or si Miguel dito just para ma-share yung partnership ng NCAA dito sa Pilipinas College Golf Series. Kahit tayo lang doon, just to explain, di ba, kung ano yung role ng Pilipinas College Golf Series. Parang Pilipinas Golf Series, yes?
Yung Pilipinas College Golf Series is a series where we need to support the collegiate golf industry in the Philippines as well. So this was an initiative also that was spearheaded by Chairman Pato through the before. So our main goal is really to build competition and communities within the Philippines. So not only that, but we also encourage the students to also build their own teams and to build their own organizations. So yun po. So we partnered with NCAA in order to help build the infrastructure also of NCAA when it comes to golf.
Yes.
Yeah, so to add lang din po sa sinabi ni Mr. Imay, kami pong Pilipinas College Golf Series, no? Since we've started in 2023, i-carry over na lang namin yung experience that we've had here in NCAA to help the organization jumpstart the collegiate golf scene in Lampao.
Is it hard to jumpstart a competition for a collegiate league like this one? Ano na ang mga...
We started po noong November last year. So,
Kumbaga may template na. Very easy for the league, NCAA, di ba?
yeah, definitely.
Nice. Okay, so thank you so much, mga batang-bata from Pilipinas College Golf Series. Salamat. Okay. Okay. Yes, Lito, one more question.
Attorney Jonas, yung mga NCAA universities natin, may mga branches lahat, di ba? Paano po yun? Pwede din silang sumali sa inyo as part ng isang team or pwede silang sumali na hiwalay?
Gaya nga nasabi natin kanina, pinopromote natin yung golf, may-encourage natin sila. So, pag 6 to play 4 to count, patang ibang campus hindi makabuo ng 6 na player, di ba? So, pwede silang sumama sa one team kahit magkaibang campus. Just to encourage them. And then later on, what we learn from this competition, we will try to improve as it goes on. Kaya naman talaga, gaya ng sabi ni Chairman Pato, tiyahan ng tiyahan.
Swing na lang swing. Swing na lang swing.
Swing lang na swing.
Swing na lang swing.
Mr. Divina, sir, after ng gold, may iba pang sports yung NCAA na gagawin, di ba? Yung boxing, gymnastics, yung weightlifting. Kailan po itong mga?
Ano na siya sa May, after track and field. So we had track and field on May 3, 4, 5. Actually, meron pa kami ulit. Yung basketball aspirant, yung 15 under, meron pa rin kami gano'n. Meron din yung e-sports pa. It is actually sa June.
Sige po.
So yung boxing will be on May 12 to 14. Tapos yung ating weightlifting will be on June 15 to June 20. But there will be some mga stages, no, yung magkakaroon ng coaching para sa weightlifting on June 28 to 30. Tapos may practice ng May 9. Tapos yung aerobics gymnastics natin, ongoing sabi nga ng chairman, nag-umpisa na. April 6 to May 31. This is under the management of KRU Manco, representative also. The boxing and the weightlifting are under Arian University Manco, Mr. Peter Taiko. Again, as mentioned, this is going to be demo sports, just to jump start.
Saan po gagawin yung mga items?
Hindi announced pa specific.
Bali, yes.
Actually, before the tournament proper nung golf, meron kami campus tour for golf. Parang lecture, i-invite yung mga students to encourage them. I-demo namin dito kung parang tools ng golf para sa mga wala pang alam. Merong campus tour ang Go.
Bago po yung
Bagay tournament.
May 20.
Sir, hindi nga bali kailan po matatapos yung season 1 natin?
After ng esports, this is on June 7. So, nag-count kami ng 1 week. So, ang turnover niya ay June 15.
And then season 1 natin?
Season 1 o 2, we will transfer yung Texas Isabela University.
Kailan naman po ang start na ba?
June 15 ang turnover. Then, Attorney Jonas gagawa na siya ng roadmap for the operation of season 1 o 2 NCAA.
Attorney Jonas, looking forward lang, anong ma-expect ba sa season 1 o 2 naman?
Huwag ka na mag-look forward kasi. Pinag-usapan ko, naka-look forward ka. Hindi natin mawawala yung focus sa doon. Pero siyempre, season 1 or 2, gaya ng pagsagot ko, masaya. At saka very competitive. Lalo na Patel Carmel.
Attorney Jonas, ito pa. Alam natin na nagtapos na yata yung partnership yung CMA 7. So, may mga negotiations ba with other TV network na
Ako ba sasagot o si Chairman TV? Hindi, ang sabi ni Chairman, abangan ang susunod na kabalan. Meron, abangan.
Pero since 9 doesn't get so far, how has been the partnership between GMA and the NCAA over this past few years?
For me, okay. Okay naman. But siyempre, mas maganda ang kausapin na yung mga nag-chairperson ng NCAA during the time na NCAA-JP partnership kasi sila yung mas mas sayang pag-usap sa network. So, bibigay ko kay Chairman Lee.
Well, okay naman dun ang partnership with GMA. Actually, nung nagsimula sila, ginawa nila lahat, bubble type yung mga programa. So talagang nag-ano na yung GMA para ma-promote, mapaganda ang NCAA. So, taon-taon, nagano sa magandang idea. No? So, hindi naman sad to say. Kaya lang, siyempre, 5 years, 6 years, 5 and a half. So, yun. Hindi na lang GFA. Dahil maraming di ma-explain. Hindi na yung GFA.
So, possible na extend.
May naman, gusto kami ni Ma'am Maribig, sabi niya, sabi ko, mag-iling iba, sabi niya, para simple na yung format kasi yan iba na yung, naman ang mga viewers hindi na sa Play TV, YouTube, Facebook, so na. So, siyempre, yung mga like TV, umaasa sila doon sa mga sponsor. Kaya dahil ngayon, so marami na nanonood sa YouTube, sa Facebook, doon sa TV, wala na masyado. So, wala na gano'n nag-sponsor. Hindi ko lang. Kaya siguro nagkahanap pa ng ibang way kung paano nila masusuportahan yung NCAA na hindi gagamit ng TV.
Idagdag ko lang, sir, yung naging feedback kasi ng mga hindi na natin, mga audience ng NCAA, ang sinasabi nilang distinct advantage when it comes to partnership with GMA, yung may watching in Facebook, libre. So wala kang binabayaran na ano tawag dito, yung parang apps. So yun yung nakikita ko yung binabasa ko sa mga social media. Precisely, that's what they're saying. The distinct advantage of partnership with GMA. So they don't spend anything to watch the games online. Kasi mahal na sa kanila yun. Diba? Libre yung napapanood nila yung mga games online. Kasi online talaga ngayon social media na. Kahit ako, hindi na ako nanonood ng TV.
But remember, sir, Lorenzo, meron din silang app na ididikit ko lang dito yung GMA app na pwede din 24/7 din. So that could be one of the, just off the top. Meron silang gadget ngayon.
Meron kayo.
Isa na lang kay Attorney Jonas ulit. Attorney, ito lang, hindi ako nakilala.
Alam mo, liya ako dito kay Corwin.
Clarification din sa mga usap-usapan na yung San Beda raw ay ilipat na ng UAE.
Alam nyo, gaya ng sabi ko, pag nagsa-champion ng San Beda, iniisip nila lagi nililipat sa UAP. O San Beda is the founding member of the NCAA, the last founding member of the NCAA. And ang dami naman nakatulong ang San Beda sa sports, kaya yung San Juan, sa Pacheco, sa Linsay. Kaya yung paglipat na yun, sisis lang yun, na mabili. Mabili. Siyempre, pag may bumibili, pag-uusapan. Pag mo, wala na ngayon, wala nang bumibili. Hindi na pinag-uusapan, ikaw na lang bumibili.
Okay, so thank you so much, gentlemen, for raising our PSA point. Welcome the chairman of our NCAA Management Committee, sir. Okay. Just your invite para nga po dito sa ating NCAA Golf Season 101, please.
Okay, invite na all of the dito, the mga other student athletes, no? Invite you to watch and support the NCAA 101 Golf Tournament. And siguro ito yung start, no? Ng Season 101 para in the future, tuloy na yung programa at makatulong tayo sa golf sports program ng Pilipinas.
Yes. Vice Chairman, Attorney Jonas, na in charge din po sa golf.
Masasabi ko lang, kung wala si PSC Chair Pato, hindi matutuloy yung goal. Kaya pasalamatan natin si Chair Pato.
From our good chairman.
Once again, maraming salamat po sa NCAA Manco and board. This is not an easy process and exercise. It's not an easy project. Pero talagang sumikap sila, ginawa nila. Pinatunayan nila that they really want to help Philippine sports. I'm sure PSC and both NCAP, we're all very happy that this will actually now happen. Long overdue, but it's worth the wait. So once again, maraming salamat po at supportahan po natin ang NCAA.
Thank you so much, Chairman, of the NCAA Management Committee and Pilipinas College Golf Series. Salamat po sa inyong presence dito sa ating PSA Forum. Until next time, mabuhay, all the best to our NCAA. Salamat po.